You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, here's the left front fender for the MGA. I've yet to take off the headlight bucket, but that will be tough. Obviously, there's not much for this to be saved for. The other one was in pretty nice shape, but this one is, obviously trash. So, um, the seam that I talked about earlier, the RC blows. So I guess that is native to the MGA fenders. You can see that this one is not nearly as bad as the other one. I don't see so far evidence of any patches or whatnot. I mean, God, even the bottom of this thing is in stellar shape. So I'm not at all displeased. The rest of it looks like it's okay as well. I mean, I got some surface rust, but that's easy. Very easy to overcome, obviously. And there we go. So I'm going to vacuum this thing up, get rid of all the dust and dirt that I can. And from about this point up is where I'm going to remove rust. So I'll get right to it. This is more or less done. I've done all the mechanical rust removal that I can. You can see that this is actually a really good fender. Surface rust notwithstanding, all of this was treatable, so got a really good deal on this fender. Like the other fender, I've cut this lip off. I'm going to be welding in a sheet of metal to go with that curve. Didn't need that lip there. So what's left here, I've got some little bit of rust in there. I couldn't get a wire wheel or anything else very well in there, so I'm going to chemically treat that stuff, dissolve the rust, and then go from there. So I've also cut off the piece that goes in the opposite direction here, and that's what the front middle flange would hang off of. My intention is to use something else in the front, and I don't need that piece that comes out like this. It would be in the way, actually. So it's a lesson I learned from my own MG, and that's that. So again, a very nice fender. So I'll do a little bit of chemical treatment, and I'm gonna call it a night.